Good day, good day. This is the 2022 video walk around of the Ford T250 all-wheel drive high roof edition. We're gonna go ahead, do a little video tour. This has been fully serviced and detailed, extra clean. Pennsylvania inspected and emission tested. Go ahead and pop inside and start her up. Just gonna show you the entrance here, do a nice little panorama. We got the bulkhead in the back with the sliding door. And now we'll start it up. Starts up nice and easy, purring like a kitten. We have the hands-free controls here. Putting it in reverse, you have your backup camera. Media, you have AM, FM, Bluetooth, as well as USB. And we'll hop out and go check out the back cargo space. Plenty of room here. High roof. Measurements are on the website, pinetreemotors.com. Something I always like to do as well, check the tire tread. Plenty of tread here. Look underneath. Nice and clean. If you want some more information, go ahead and check out the website, pinetreemotors.com. We have a full description. You can also send us an inquiry, apply for financing, whatever you need to do. Give us a call or come in and check it out. All right, y'all have a great one.